Oxford Composition notebooks are a classic school staple notebook option. This listing is for a 12-pack of wide-ruled composition books, assorted marble covers, 100 sheets per book. The Amazon product page highlights durable sewn binding, hard covers that protect pages, and wide-ruled paper that works well with pens, pencils and highlighters. Customers repeatedly mention how handy a 12-pack is for stocking up for school, workshops, or journaling projects. Because Amazon's live price can vary by seller and region and sometimes requires location sign-in to show the exact featured price, please check the product page for the up-to-the-minute price before recording your video. These composition books shine for the basic, everyday uses, note-taking, lab journals, school composition assignments, and bullet journaling. The cover is sturdy enough to be used as a writing surface on the go, and the sewn binding is more durable than spiral notebooks when you want pages to stay put for long-term storage. Key features called out on the product page include 100 sheets, 200 pages, classic marble cover design with a space for a named class, wide-ruled paper suitable for students, and a sewn binding that helps pages stay attached. A practical, no-frills product that's inexpensive per unit when bought in packs. Customer feedback is overwhelmingly practical. People praise the price-to-value ratio, the reliability of the binding, and the consistent paper quality that handles pens and pencils well. On the cons side, some reviews note that cover colors are randomly assigned so you can't pick a specific color distribution, and a handful mention occasional cosmetic wear on resold used listings. Overall, this is an easy, low-risk buy for classroom and home supply runs, and perfect for creators making school supply haul videos. We share buy links in description box.